slideshow videos, Instagram stories, intro templates, product demos. What type of video are you making today? At Placeit you can find hundreds of stunning video templates. Each video maker is carefully designed to look professional, no matter which one you pick. Promote your latest product, create a viral countdown sensation, or just share a funny moment with your followers. Our video makers are super easy to use and let anyone with an internet connection create high-quality videos in seconds. Simply pick a video maker, for example, this is a slideshow video maker, and start customizing it. Use the text boxes to type in your video info and choose a cool font style and a color for it. Then, select some hot music from our massive library of styles. Save your favorites and use them each time that you need them. Add the background with a nice image, or what about upload your own by clicking this button here. Any interruption? Save your edits and come back later to continue. You can even save the template to your very faves. Finally, click on this blue download button to get it. You can find different tools on each video type to personalize it and create an harmonious video. Add slides inside of the templates, change the playback speed, or change the backgrounds over and over. Edit logos, mockups, videos, and design templates with just a few clicks. Each template is carefully made by design experts, so your work will always look great. Can you imagine? Your brand on a cool video like this all around the internet. Yeah, with Placeit, all that and more is possible. Get started with the best video maker at placeit.net.